No left behind. The F-15E Strike Eagle rescued Iran. The aircraft who saved the second crew. The Spanish-made CASA-Airbus C-295W in US service made this happen, thanks to Spanish technology. Spanish-made CASA-Airbus 295 of Iran. The C-295 Persuader. They are short takeoff and landing masters needing around 300 feet at 110 knots for landing or takeoff roll and can carry up to 70 operators and gear. The perfect aircraft for this mission. Close to 40 countries are using the Spanish-made C-295, also like the US forces. The CASA-Airbus C-295 is a class of its own and the bestseller worldwide.